Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is speech on Children's Day. Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate Children's Day, a special day for all children. Children are the future of our nation. Every child has talent, dreams, and the power to make the world better. Always believe in yourself, work hard, respect your parents and teachers, and never give up after failure. Mistakes help us learn and become stronger. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep helping others. Remember, success does not come in one day, but with patience and effort, every dream can come true. Read good books, stay honest, and use your abilities for good purposes. On this Children's Day, promise yourself to become a kind, responsible, and successful person. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.